Hi, gorgeous ghoulies. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Tamed Wild subscription box for, I believe this is for March. And if you want to see what's in the box, which some of y'all might have already seen from other people doing, other YouTubers, but this is my first one from them. So if you want to see what I got and see how happy I am or not happy, whatever, stick around. All right, y'all. Today I have I'm not looking at the camera, I know, because I'm trying to pick up this box and for some reason I cannot pick it up, for Tamed Wild. And I believe this is for March. And this is how the box looks. It's very, very adorable. Simple, but pretty. And if you're concerned about anybody seeing what kind of box it is shipped in one of these. Mine was anyway. I'm assuming all of them are. And I placed this subscription, I believe, through Cratejoy. So I will leave the deets there and their website in the description. So let's get into this. Open it up here and see what we got. Watch. I'm like, it's a box. How do I open it? All right. I like the size. It's just a cute little. And this is in the top. See here. Okay, it tells you the things that are in here. I believe it tells you some. Oh, I love this. Here's what it looks like. And I knew this was going to be in here, and I am so stoked for this. Okay, let's get into this. Let's start at the beginning. This, I believe, tells you about the things that are in here. Yes, yes, yes. And so we'll look at those in a minute. First, I have a little bitty little linen muslin bag, little muslin bag, and it is a little pendant of the Brigid cross. And I can't get it out of here because, as I've stated, I am incompetent sometimes. Here you go. Is that not pretty? And I love that it's silver because I prefer silver. It's so pretty. And even though it doesn't come with the chain, I don't guess, that's fine because I have enough chain to make my own. Or some people prefer different things, you know. Some people want it on a leather, not chain, but you know what I'm saying. Cord. Thank you. Wow, that was difficult. We have a little tea light size candle. Unscent it. All right. What else we got here? This is what I want. I saw that it was in this box and I died. This is a Rose of Jericho. This is how it will arrive. Let me take it out of here. Okay. A Rose of Jericho. Now, I probably will tell you something about it here, but from what I know before reading it, this is an amazing, amazing plant. There's roots down there. You see how it looks up there? Put this in water, and it comes back to life. I mean, it is dry, brittle. It is amazing. It will open up and come to life. It is amazing. Let me tell you about it from the card. I just saw it on the card. Okay. There is so much we can learn from the Rose of Jericho. The obvious being, when food and water are abundant, we flourish and expand. But when resources are limited, it's wise to slow down and turn inward. Appropriately nicknamed the resurrection plant, this dormant flower grows up to 5 times its size when exposed to water. As the water dries up, the plant begins to shrink. Although it may appear as if it's dying, the Rose of Jericho is resourceful. This plant's leafy arms curl inward, storing energy in its core to prepare for another cycle of rest, reflection, and hibernation. That is nice. Where is that? Right here. This little area here. Yes. I'm excited for this. I've never had one before. And yeah, I'm very excited. I like my plants and things. Here we have Ostara Artisan Herbal Tea. Contains chamomile and peppermint. And suddenly you just know it's time to start something new and trust the magic of new beginnings. Here it is. Here's how it looks. When the wheel turns another spoke, we find ourselves again at the beginning as the earth reawakens and comes to life. So do we enjoy the simple yet powerful blend in the morning at the start of the spring rituals and to honor Goddess Brigitte, Flora, and Ostara. And there is 0.5 ounces in here. I'm not going to smell it right now. I have all these smells. I just did the incense video, so yes. So that's nice. That's nice. And then, let me look on here. Yeah, that's what I thought. I haven't opened it yet. Little package here. I might have to cut that. Oh, there it goes. This is an agate egg and a little stand, which is so nice. It will go well with the egg I received in, what was the other box I opened the other day? Don't remember. Wow, my brain is just, wow. Arachne's Web, thank you. Okay, you get the little stand. And it's like a peach color, which makes me think of, you know, the brown eggs. Very, very cute. There's that. I believe this one was $29. I'm not positive. I'll have to look real quickly. And then this adorable bag was in the box. Look at this. That is so pretty. And it says magic in the middle. And it feels like a canvas type fabric, nice, thick, strong. Linen, no, I'm trying to think of the word. I know what it is. Anyway, and it does this. These are a little shiny, but yes, that is very, very pretty. So yeah, this is a nice, and that Rose of Jericho is really what I was like, okay, I might need this box. Also, I was looking for ones that weren't too big, cost effective, and gave the best, and for me, for my opinion, for what I feel is something I will use. So that's what I was looking for. So yes, I'm very happy with the items in this box. Rose of Jericho, blew it all the water. That's, once that, I'm like, okay, I'm done. I'm done. I love it. Now, let's go over here. The egg. Agate egg. Throughout history, the egg has been a symbol of new beginnings, stored potential, cyclical, regeneration, abundance, and in some stories, the entire universe. Another way to think about it, the egg represents you. In today's ritual, we will rouse the egg from its winter slumber. Together, we will wash away the dust from the seasons past and prepare ourselves for the magic that awaits in the light half of the year. Like I said, this time of year is all about new beginnings, fresh starts, going into the light. Everything's, you know, it's awake, alive. Okay, that's the egg there that they talk about. Now, the ritual candle is, as a nod to Brigitte, our inner hearth fire, and the long-awaited return of the sun, place this floating candle, in the agate egg's bathwater. Floating candle, okay, yeah, all right. The Brigitte's, I don't know if y'all call it Brigitte, I don't know. Anyway, I say Brigitte. Brigitte. Now, see, once again, I say a word enough times I can't say it anymore. Cross amulet, okay. Brigitte is the Celtic goddess of poetry, fire, motherhood, and animals. In the old world, her followers would weave a wheel of fire known as Brigitte's cross. to hang above the hearth. We wear this amulet to honor, you see it there? To honor Brigitte and ask that in return she protect our home, uphold our health, and guide us into the light. She's one of my favorites. If y'all know, Imbolg is one of my favorite. Ostara hasn't been in the past, but I'm really growing to like the Sabbath more and more as I get older. But Brigitte has always been Imbolg, Brigitte, all those things, the new beginnings. It's always been, that's been one of my favorites, and she is so important in that. All right, the tarot bag. Oh, it's a little tarot bag for a little deck. Use this tarot bag to store your favorite divinity deck, crystals, or a pendulum. That'd be nice. Pendulum would go nice in there. All right. Where's this one here? The Ostara to Sanity. Is that anyone on there? Brew a cup. Oh, to Sanity. Okay. Okay. Forgive me. Like I said, pronunciation sometimes. Whew, and what's scary is I'm actually smart. I don't act like it, but I am. And yeah, that's just things that. Brew a cup of Ostara to Sanity to invoke the spirit of spring. This soft blend of peppermint leaves and chamomile flowers. How do y'all say that? I've always said chamomile, but I also hear chamomile, and it's spelled more like mile. So anyway, flowers gently warm the body and settles a nervous stomach. Peppermint, that's why you get peppermints after meals, to settle for digestion. I don't know if y'all knew that. Whoever doesn't know, now you know. All right. There are other things on here. What was the other? I read the Rose of Jericho. Okay. Yeah, and there's quite a bit more. There's the Spirit of Ostara. So these are really nice cards to keep. Maybe put some holes in them, stick them like maybe sideways. I don't know. I think it'd be better if it was in a sleeve or something if you were going to keep them. And here is a ritual for resurrection. And this is in it also. So all this box is, what is that? 5 by 5? Or 6 by 6? One of the two. Anyway, it is a nice size, nice price to get a few things to add to your, your altar, your tools, your spiritual journey, whatever path you're on. There's little things just to add to it. And like I said, I like getting subscription boxes. It's so nice to have these little gifts to yourself that, it's nice. You open the door and, oh, my box is here. And you open it and it's magical just in the opening if you let it be. And enjoy each thing, not just, oh, and just really take each item in your hands and feel its energy. If the company puts in the time and effort to make the item special, that energy will reflect in the item. And if you follow my Instagram or you're on Facebook with me, I will, once the Rose of Jericho, put it in water and I will get pictures of the process because it is amazing and I'm so stoked for that out of this entire thing, entire box. But anyway, I think it's worth it. Once again, let's put the box up here. There you go. Tamed Wild. For the wild woman in you that's tamed. Who wants to be tamed, though? You know what I mean? Anyway, so I will put the deets in the description box. And look at this. This movie. Video isn't as long as usual. Yay, I did it. So, yeah. I guess I'll close this out and quit saying so. Just remember, everybody, you're beautiful just the way you are. And don't let anyone take away your shine, because you own that. You rock it. Be it. Live it. Love it. Screw them. Take care. Till next time. Bye.